Hi students, good evening all. Welcome back to Next Gen Online Tuition. We are continuing with 9th grade NCERT syllabus polynomial chapters. So far, we have completed 2.4 exercises till that we are finished with. You can refer the previous videos. And the last chapter 2.4 is regarding the factorization that we have seen very deeply. Okay, so 2.5 deals with algebraic identities. Okay, let's see. So what is algebraic identity? So for a difficult algebraic expressions, say for example 49a squared plus 70ab plus 25b squared. This is a sample. Okay, this is a sample expression. So if you are asked to find factor for this expression, it is very difficult to multiply 49 and 25 and getting a product and finding two factors for it which satisfies the condition 70. It's very difficult. So what we have to do is we have to simplify this expression in any of these forms. That is, we have to narrow down this expression into simpler algebraic identities which satisfies any one of the identity, and we can easily derive answer using this formula. Okay, let's see. The first identity is x plus y the whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is simply in our smaller classes we are familiar with this formula. A plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We can write in either way, a square plus b square plus 2ab also, because addition don't have the order, right? It's irrespective. So x plus y the whole square is also the same pattern. X minus y the whole square, we have to put a minus sign here. Okay, and x square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. We have the fourth identity, x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b multiplied with x plus ab. And we have few more identities. So today we are going to see problems up to identity 4, part 1. Okay, so the remaining identities comes in part 2 video. Since it is a little lengthier topic, we can split it. Let's get into the exercise. First question of exercise 2.5. Use suitable identities to find the following products. Okay, x plus 4 multiplied with x plus 10. So this question satisfies identity number 4, which is x plus a multiplied with x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, how? First, x is x. In the what are the constants we have in the formula? X is x, a, b. These three are the constants we have the formula. First, substitute value for these x, a, and b. So in this question, x, in the place of x we have x, so we can directly equate it. In the place of a we have 4. For b we have 10. Simple. Now substitute in this answer. X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So x square is directly x square. A plus b is 4 plus 10. X is again x. A multiplied with b gives us 40. So our final conclusion is x square plus 14x plus 40. That's all. So first we have to identify the question to which identity it will matches. So the first question matches with identity number 4. So for that you have to you have to be strong with all the identities which I have shown in the previous page. Okay, you have to make yourself strong in all these identities, the question and with the answers in all the formulas. And we have to directly equate it like this. X stands for which variable and A stands for which variable and B stands for which variable. That's all. Right. Our second question, x plus 8 into x minus 10. Okay. So this is also comes under identity 4. X plus, here also x is x, directly x, A is 8 and B is minus 10. So directly substitute x square plus what we have to write here. A is 8, B is minus 10, x plus 8 into minus 10. We have to prefix 10 with this minus everywhere. It's very, very important. X square minus 2x minus 80. X square minus 2x minus 80. That's it. As simple as that. Once we know the formula, we can directly substitute and get the answer within a minute. Our next identity is also x plus a and x plus b pattern. So directly get the values. A, here x is not directly the same x because in the previous problems we have x without any constants in before that. Now we have 3x. So x gives me 3x and a gives me 4 and b is minus 5. Substituting, we have to put here 3x the whole square. Okay, because x gives value of x is 3x here plus 4 minus 5 into x and 4 into let me write down once again. Three x the whole square plus 4 minus 5 into 3x because we have a x at the last plus 4 multiplied with minus 5. 9x square minus 3x minus 20. So our final answer is, since it is not clear, I am writing down here 9x square minus 3x minus 20. That's all. As simple as that. Our fourth subdivision have a fractional part. So here the constant value is 3 by 2, not a whole number. Let's see. So first we have to identify the identity it speaks about. Which identity? X plus y multiplied with x minus y. Identity number 3. Okay. So again we have to identify the x values because we have in the question only x and y, only two variables. So x and y. Just substitute the x and y values. X is y square and y is 3 by 2. Okay. And we can directly substitute answer. X plus y, x minus y. The question is given in the answer format. Okay. X plus y into x minus y. So now we have to take it into the question format. X square minus y square. This is our required part because this is given in the question. So this is our answer now. So either way we have to read the formula. Question as answer part and answer as a question part. Now x square minus y square. X square is y square minus 3 by 2 the whole square. So y power 4 minus 9 by 4. That's all. We are deriving the question from the answer given. Answer given and we are deriving the question here. That's all. Again 3 minus 2x, 3 plus 2x. First substituting the values, x and y values. X is 3 and y is 2x. So x square minus y square is x plus y, x minus y. X and y is already given. So x square is 9 and y square is x square minus, sorry, the sign we have to use here is minus 4x square. 9 minus 4x square. That's all. Our next question is question number 2. Evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. That is 103 multiplied with 107. Instead of direct multiplication, we have to use the identities. Okay. For that, we have to expand this number in this format. How? So, first we have to split the number 103 as 100 plus 3. So, multiplying 100 is quite easier for us. And 107 can be written as 100 plus 7. So now this is in the form of x plus a and this is in the form of x plus b. Okay. Let's substitute the values. X is 100, a is 3 and again here x plus b, x is 100 and b value is 7. So x square plus a plus b multiplied with x plus ab. X square value is 100 square. 3 plus 7 is 10. X is again 100. AB value is 7 3s are 21. Plus 100 with 10 is 1000. At last 21. So on adding all these, we get 11,021. So without forgetting the Indian system of putting the comma, we have to place the comma after 3 digits from right side. Don't forget that. Fine. 95 and 96. So 95. Instead of using minus sign, 95 can also be written as 100 minus 5. But we have to take it in x plus a and x plus b form. That will be quite easier to multiply. So 95 is 90 plus 5 and 96 is 90 plus 6. X plus a, x plus b format. Alright. So now the x value is 90, a value is 5, b value is 6. Directly apply the formula. 90 square plus 5 plus 6 with 90 plus 5 multiplied with 6. So 90 square is quite easier. 8,100. 11 multiplied with 90 plus 30. 8,100 plus 990 plus 30. On adding all this, the value is 9,120. As simple as that. Okay. Now 104 multiplied with 96. So the identity which satisfies this question is x square minus y square gives x plus y multiplied with x minus y. So in this format, we have to change the question. 100 can be changed as 100 plus 4 and 96 can be changed as 100 minus 4. So this is this is x plus y, this is x minus y. Now we can directly substitute the values. X is 100 and y is 4. Right? We have to derive this to our question. X square minus y square. 100 square is 10,000 minus 16, 9,984. That's all. Okay, students. I hope today's session will be quite easier and much interesting. It's very easy to solve. Instead of directly multiplying 3-digit numbers, you can solve without using multiplication tables itself. Thank you. Feel free to WhatsApp the number mentioned here for any clarifications. Bye and take care.